Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today I want to show you my compact, easy, do-it-yourself toiletries kit. So recently I've been doing a lot of traveling, both to Arizona and Pennsylvania. And also when I travel to teach my classes or just to go different places, I often have to take a travel kit that has just basic toiletries in it. And of course, one of the things that I like to do is I like to travel light. And so I put together this kit, and I want to show you what all is in here. So I chose this Coghlan's little travel zippered case here. One side is made of mesh, and that just helps everything air out, so that if I do have to pack up something that's a little wet, it will continue to dry out wherever I am, and without having to just leave things out to dry. Alright, so getting to this, first of all, I have a small plastic tube here, and inside of it just some Q-tips. And that's always something nice to have. It can be used for cleaning gear as well, but of course keeping your ears cleaned out is a good idea. I also have a folding brush with a mirror, and that's of course a good accessory to have, not just for signaling, but of course also so that you can see to shave. I have a small tube here of deodorant. I also carry a small portable bottle of Tylenol. Of course, this is acetaminophen actually, and this works great if you get a headache. And I don't use it very much. This one actually hasn't been opened, but every once in a while, if you would need a little bit of medication, that will help with that. I also carry a small bottle of shampoo, some chapstick, a very small container of dental floss. I carry a toothbrush, which is in a folding container. The handle then protects the brush and helps keep it sanitary. I also have just a small tube here of hair gel. I carry some beard oil, which can also be used to shave with as a shave oil. Of course, some toothpaste, a pair of nail clippers, have a couple of antiseptic cleaning wipes. I also have a very small bottle of cologne. I have a black plastic comb that goes along with my beard oil to keep my beard straight and clean. I also carry a nail in case I need to hang the bag up from a tree or something similar to that. It has a strap on the end. And then last but not least, I have this very unique travel razor. This is made by Watt. It's called the Watt Magic. And you just take the little lid off and turn this handle, and the blade comes out and turns just like that. And then I also have a couple of extra razor blades for it. You can buy these at Walmart, and it just slides off and on like this. Of course, when you're done and it's dried, you just turn this and it retracts inside. Put the cap on, and now you have your very compact razor travel system. And here it is all laid out for you to see again. It's a very convenient travel kit, and it's very compact, it's easy to carry, and this will last me easily several days to a week, using it judiciously and carefully. But it's really all that you need, and can take care of pretty much all of your hygiene necessities, of course coupled with a handkerchief for a washcloth or something similar, which I always have with me anyway. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.